Great shorts start with purpose, comfort, freedom of movement, and durability on the pitch. Poor shorts ruin performance, chafing, sagging waists, restricted kicks, and wasted energy. We'll focus on 3 essentials: fit, fabric, and how shorts move with you. Expect close-ups, slow motion of seams and pockets, and a clear comparison to guide you. By the end, you'll know which shorts match your playstyle and budget. Let's start with fit, the foundation of comfort and consistent performance. Waistband types matter: elastic, drawcord, or combined. Choose secure without digging in. Length affects movement. Shorter cuts free the legs, longer cuts add coverage and stability. Cut and gussets prevent seam pulling during wide strides and rapid direction changes. Try a fit test. Jog, sprint, and perform a high kick to check restriction zones. If seams pinch at the thigh, size up or choose a more athletic cut. On-screen tip: pick snug waist plus enough thigh room for full range of motion. Modern fabrics wick sweat, dry fast, and resist odors for longer comfort during play. Look for 4-way stretch blends that return to shape after repeated movements. Reinforced seams and bar tacks at stress points increase durability game after game. Mesh inserts boost ventilation in high heat zones without sacrificing structure. Pockets and liners vary. Secure pockets and soft liners add practical functionality. Quick checklist: moisture control, stretch, reinforced seams, and ventilation panels. We tested 3 top models for fit, fabric, and movement across drills and matches. Model A, ultralight, maximum ventilation, best for hot climates and fast wingers. Model B, reinforced seams and slightly longer cut for midfielders who need stability. Model C, stretch focused with soft liner, ideal for players prioritizing mobility and comfort. On-screen comparison chart: weight, ventilation, durability, and price for quick decision-making. Recommendation summary: choose Model A for speed, B for durability, C for all-round comfort. Sizing tip: measure waist and thigh, cross-reference brand size charts, and account for shrinkage. Care tip: wash cold, avoid fabric softener and air dry to preserve elasticity. Quick repair tip: reinforce worn seams early to extend life and maintain performance. Field test tip: try shorts in a short game before committing to a full season purchase. Final checklist: fit, fabric, movement, pockets, and care. Prioritize what matters most to you. Ready to upgrade your game? Pick the shorts that move with you and play confidently.